How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between 5G and 4G. First, we're going to go to the settings icon. As you can see, mine is right here, but if you have trouble finding it, just swipe down from the middle of your screen. Type in settings, select the icon. Now we're going to head on over to where it says cellular right here. And then we're going to select cellular data options. And then we're going to select voice and data. Okay, as you can see, we have these 4 options right here. Right now we have it selected at 5G auto. And as you can see right here, if you have it in on auto, it says it's going to use 5G only when it's not significantly reducing your battery life. Now, if we select 5G on, that means, as it says right here, it says 5G on uses 5G whenever it's available, even when it may reduce battery life. So if you're not that worried about your battery draining, or if you're going to be connected to your wall outlet, then this is an option you can consider. But generally, as a default, it's selected to 5G auto. Now, why would you want to select 4G? Let's remember that not all areas in the country are 5G available. You might be in a little bit more of a remote area and only have 4G available. If you select 5G, your phone is always going to be looking for 5G, which is going to waste a lot of battery power. So if you're sure that you're only going to get 4G, this is a good option to select. Okay, once you selected 4G, you can just hit back, hit cellular, hit settings, and then just swipe up from the bottom of your screen to go to your home. And as you can see right now on the top right corner, it's only selecting 4G. So I hope that helps, guys, and please stay tuned for other videos that will give you more great tips.